difference from side to side? Does it feel like this right side
That's
is stuck?
Yeah, that feels more like tender.
Yep. This right part of your sacrum is rotated and stuck. You don't notice these things until somebody starts poking at them. And then you carry some tension in this upper part of your back, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Oh, take a deep breath in. Go. And then inhale. And inhale again. Okay, let's bend both your knees. Yep, just like that. Good, and straighten them down again. We'll start with this side. So lay on your side with the side up. Okay, bend this top leg. Okay, I'm gonna pull your arm out. Okay, and you're gonna be rolling to me, but I don't want you off the table or anything. Very good. Just keep this compressing here.
Oh my goodness.
Other side. This leg bent. Yeah, perfect. And scoot your hips towards me a little. Take that arm. And you just counterbalance your weight a little. There you go. Yeah.